Welcome to this module where we will introduce you to the concept of a command line interface, or CLI for short. The CLI is a powerful text-based user interface that allows you to interact with a computer by entering commands to perform various tasks. Instead of relying on graphical interfaces, CLI provides you with greater control and flexibility over projects. Git is primarily used through it. So, let's dive in. The shell is the foundation behind the command line interface. It acts as a user interface that processes all the commands you type in the CLI. It reads and interprets these commands and then instructs the operating system to perform the tasks as requested. As the intermediary between you and the operating system, the shell reads and executes your instructions, enabling you to interact with the kernel. The kernel is the core component of an operating system that acts as a bridge between software and hardware, such as RAM and CPU. In other words, the shell is the intermediary between you, the user, and the operating system, enabling you to interact with your computer through the CLI. Different operating systems have their own default shells for the CLI. For Windows users, the commonly used shell is cmd.x, or command prompt. It provides a basic set of commands and functionalities for interacting with the system. On Linux and macOS, the default shell is often Bash. Bash is a powerful shell that offers extensive scripting capabilities. When working with Git, the git bash shell prompt provides a special environment for executing Git commands. It is available for Windows users and allows them to follow along with the examples in the lessons, even though they are primarily demonstrated using Bash on Linux or macOS.